Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss out any of my videos and stay updated with my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So summers are already here and the outside temperature is at its peak. And in order to beat the heat, we all crave for that chill and refreshing drink to relax ourselves and soothe ourselves from within. So I made this coffee shop style delicious and creamy cold coffee at my house. Chilled milk as per your servings, coffee powder, sugar according to the amount of sweetness you want, some ice cubes, ice cream, preferably chocolate or vanilla ice cream. I went for the butterscotch flavor as the chocolate or vanilla ice cream was not available. Some warm water, chocolate syrup, a whisker, a blender and a chocolate bar, any one of your choice, just for the garnishing purpose. At first, mix the coffee powder with some warm water with the help of a whisker so that there are no lumps. Then pour the mixture into the blender and then one by one add the sugar, chilled milk, ice cubes and lastly the ice cream and blend. After blending, pour the cold coffee into a favorite glass or mug and top it with some ice cream, and you can put chocolate syrup as much as you want. Haha, just kidding. Put some chocolate syrup according to your taste and finally garnish your cold coffee with some grated chocolate. Your coffee shop style delicious creamy cold coffee is finally ready. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.